Hello. Today I'm beginning a series in GIMP that is strictly for beginners. This series is going to be geared towards authors so that they can do their own covers or teasers or banners for their social media pages. This is not geared for graphic designers because it's a very basic walkthrough. However, if you're new to GIMP, this series can help you become familiar with the program. Okay, so this is the cover. This is how the cover is going to look at the end result. And it's very simple. Don't panic. First, what we need to do is you need to get GIMP onto your computer. And the way you're going to do that is there is a link in the description of this YouTube video that you can click and download the GIMP for whatever computer program that you use, whether it's Mac or whether it's Windows. When you've done that and you've uploaded it to your computer, you'll have a shortcut and it'll have a little dog with a paintbrush in its mouth. Okay, so double click your GIMP icon and we'll wait for it to start up. Okay, so this is GIMP. You have your toolbox, which I've explained in another video, and you have your dialog boxes here, again, which I've explained in another video that is on YouTube, and I'll link it in the bottom in the description. So what we want to do is, we want to create the dimensions for the book cover. In order to do that, you are going to go to File, New, and it'll pull up a pop-up that says Create a New Image. The width we want is 600 by 1000. And the reason I'm choosing these dimensions is because those are the dimensions that Amazon uses. And I've also used the same dimensions in Smashwords. I've used the same dimensions in Kobo. So they're pretty standard dimensions. Make sure here that it's pixel selected. Not inches, but pixels. And then click OK. And you'll have a box that comes up here. Looks exactly like a book cover, right? In the next video, I will show you how to add a picture to the project and how to manipulate the picture so that it fits within the dimensions of the book cover. I'll add the link in the description in this video to the picture that I'll be using so that you can have the exact same picture if you want to follow along with me in the next video. I hope this video helps, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.